Welcome to the new Mobideo web client experience, featuring the Group by View, the new Step Out Builder, and AI Agent Review. Welcome to the new web client experience. In this version, we are introducing a new way to view and manage tasks. The standard task list gives users a simple way to view tasks, but in complex projects, a flat list can make it harder to understand the real work structure. That's why we created the new Task Collection view. Instead of working only with a flat task list, tasks can now be grouped based on your project configuration. The grouping can be configured by any task property. In this example, tasks are grouped by work package, equipment, equipment type, and task name. This gives users a clearer, more organized view of the work, making it easier to find the right tasks and understand the scope directly from the web client. After reviewing the new task group by view, let's open a task and continue into the step-out flow. We first see the existing step-out experience briefly. To improve this workflow, we created the new step-out builder, allowing users to manage the step-out directly within the same task flow. The step-out builder includes 3 different views. We are currently in the standard view. Across all views, the phase remains the main structure. Next, we switch to the compact view. This view keeps the same phase-based structure, but presents the step-out in a more condensed layout. It allows users to see more rows on the screen, making it easier to review a larger part of the step-out at once. Now, we move to the Gantt view. The Gantt view presents the full step-out timeline, including task durations and dependencies. It helps users understand the sequence of work and the relationships between tasks in a more visual way. In the Gantt view, planners can review the full step-out timeline and interact with the plan directly. They can use drag and drop to adjust task timing, change task duration, and modify dependencies between tasks, making schedule updates more visual and efficient. Users can also open any task in any view to review the full task data and make updates when needed. All task fields can be modified from the task details, with validation rules that help ensure the data remains consistent and complete. In the Gantt, users can also switch to Craft view. This view allows planners to review the timeline with crafts as the main focus, making it easier to understand which crafts are required and how they are planned across the step-out. The standard view also supports quick inline editing. Users can update key task information directly from the row without opening the full task details. This includes changing the assigned team, updating the duration, adjusting crafts, and editing the task name. Inline editing helps planners make faster updates while keeping the full step-out structure visible. Before we look at the AI agent inside the step-out builder, it is important to understand how AI is managed in Mobideo. Mobideo Cortex is the control layer that allows us to build, govern, and run industrial AI in a safe and structured way. It connects agents, prompts, context, workflows, and actions into one managed AI orchestration layer. This means AI is not added as a standalone feature. It is connected to Mobideo's operational data, user workflows, and business rules. One example of this is the AI agent review inside the step-out builder. The AI agent review compares the original step-out template with the updated version and reviews the differences after submission. In this example, the edited step-out is essentially unchanged from the original template. For each response, the agent explains its conclusion and provides evidence directly from the step-out. Next, a more significant change is made to the step-out. Instead of making a small update to a single task, multiple tasks are changed at once. Several task durations are extended, and buffers are added across the steps. This creates a clear difference from the original template, where buffers were not used at all. After submitting the step-out again, the agent returns a different review. It identifies meaningful changes in task timing and highlights the new use of buffers as inconsistent with the original template. The agent response follows a structured format that is defined in Mobideo Cortex and can be easily adjusted using simple text instructions. For each category in the response, the agent also provides a reference to the relevant task ID, helping users understand exactly where the issue was identified. After that, another scenario is tested. The previous changes are undone, and a new task is added to the step-out. In this case, the only change is the new task, which is added with a generic name, New task. After submitting the step out again, the agent returns a different review. It recognizes that no major timing or structure changes were made, but highlights that a new task was added with a name that is not clear enough. These examples show how Mobideo Cortex and the AI agent add a review layer to the step-out process. The agent helps users identify meaningful changes, understand the reasoning, and improve step-out quality before execution. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Mobideo and how these capabilities can support your teams, please visit www.mobideo.com.